You know just what you do to me. Play my emotions like a pair of puppet strings. Did it ever occur to you my heart's more than a toy? Please go easy on me, babe.
Hi guys, my name is Katerina Michaels. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you can see, I'm in the chick house. Today is on Friday. This is the day that I usually receive new chicks. And since I'm available today, I'll be showing you how we unbox them, how we give them medication, and even how the type of food we give them. Yeah, as you can see, I'm in the chicks house, as I had mentioned earlier. These are 7 days now, or a week. Yeah, I usually wait when they are 1 week old. I bring another ones, for continuity of selling and making sure that we are reliable. Every time our customers need chicken, they are readily available. I'm waiting for this one to be 2 weeks old so that I can transfer them to a bigger house. But today I have a day old chick. I'll be showing you how we handle them. Yeah, hope you will enjoy. This is where my chicks are going to stay for 7 days before being transferred to a bigger space. Yeah, as you can see, I'm using this bulb. That's why the writing is of this color. These are heating bulbs. They produce heat. You know, these are day-old chicks. Obviously, they need heat. Yeah, they are going to stay here. We are giving them feed. This is the type of feeds we are giving them. Yeah. Most of them are active and drinking water, unlike before. Whenever you are unboxing your chicks and you happen to see most of them are sleeping, just take your time and get them closer to water, because obvious water contain this glucose. These are chicken glucose. Glucose provide energy. So when they take this glucose, they gain energy and they become active. So it's not about unboxing and leaving. It's about staying there and taking care of them, making sure each and every chick is taking water. For instance, you can see this chick is sleeping. Let me show you guys. This one here, you can see it's sleeping. You have to take it and put it close to water. Yeah, there is another one sleeping here. If you leave this one like this, tomorrow you will find it dead. So you have to take it. Obvious, you can see it's alive. You have to take it and put it in water. When you put it in water, it will start drinking water. Then it will gain energy. Yeah, I don't mind about the background noise, obvious. I can see all of them, 90%. 90% they are active now. Also, I have a vet who usually advise me on the same. When they come, at least give them 10 to 15 minutes of taking water before giving them feeds, you know, because as I had mentioned earlier, this water have this liquid paraffin, which prevents constipation. So when they take enough of it, since their food are very, very dry, they will not constipate. Yeah. Cut.
Can I be your star tonight? You fill my soul with light the day we met. I don't wanna leave your side, no. Have me by your side when the sun sets. I hope you